Would you like to win and achieve success at what you do? Welcome to the Winner's Ways podcast, where we create winners every day. And now, your host, the author of Winner's Ways book and life coach, Bola Alabi.
Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of the Winner's Ways podcast. I'm your host, Bola Alabi. You know already this show is for you, it's about you, it's about providing information that will help you to optimize your personal finance and career. It's about you winning in every area of your life. And that's why I make this show every week. I want to help, to support you, to make sure that you are living your best life. And that's why I'm here. So today's show, this is episode 22 of the Winner's Ways podcast. And the title of today's show is How to Save Money on Your Insurance Premium. Hey, by the way, can you believe it? We are already in the second quarter of the year 2019. Wow. Today is 3rd of April 2019. So just checking in, how are you progressing with your 2019 goals? I hope everything is going as you have planned. I hope you are making progress. I hope you are taking each day at a time. I hope you are moving towards your desired goals. I hope you are working hard. I hope everything is going the way you planned. I know we all have different goals. Your goal may be different from mine. There are goals around finances. For students, maybe academics. People have goals in their relationship or spiritual goals, and some, it may be health goals. So I'm just checking in today to see if you are making progress. So why not hit me up on any of the platforms? You can go to my website and drop me a mail or a note and let me know how you are doing with your goal. Or maybe connect with me on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Let me know how you are making progress. So just to sneak this in, my wife told me at the beginning of March that she planned to lose about 5 pounds of weight. And at the end of March, she actually exceeded her goal. So yay, that's good for her. For me, personally, maybe in my career, I'm moving forward as well. On this show, my goal for the month of March was to have 1,000 downloads just for the month. I did not meet that goal. Right now, we are doing about 300 downloads per episode, 300 downloads average in a month. Cumulatively, since we've started, we've exceeded over 1,000 downloads. And that's progress. I'm proud of that. But yes, I want to reach more people because I believe that this show will benefit and help a lot of people to live their best life. So I want to reach more people. Anyway, we are making progress. And today is not about goals. I'm just very passionate about helping people to move towards their goal, to achieve their goal, to see their dream come true. And if you have yet to get my 2019 goal setting guide, please I'm going to leave it on on my show notes. Just click the link and we'll send you the 2019 goal setting guide. Okay, enough about goals. Today's show is about how to save money on your insurance premium. So I do not want to keep you waiting further. So let's dive into today's episode 22 of the Winner's Ways podcast, where I would like to talk about how you can save money on your insurance premium. Your insurance, the one you pay monthly, is definitely one of your bills that you pay. Maybe you pay insurance on auto, on boat, on your home, on equipment, or any important valuables to you. Paying those insurance premiums can be expensive and inconvenient sometimes, especially for people that are still struggling in their finances. However, ensuring your priced possession is a wise thing to do because it protects you and your properties from the risk of loss. Insurance provides peace of mind to you, and it helps you to transfer risk to third-party companies. It helps you to transfer the risk on your properties to those insurance companies. So having adequate coverage is smart and prudent. But today I want to make sure that you are not overpaying for your insurance. I'm sure you know this. Two people may apply for insurance quotes, and one person will definitely be paying higher than the other person. That means if two people apply for insurance quotes, most likely they are not paying the same amount. I don't know how this insurance company work this out, but there are several factors that come into play when it comes to underwriters giving you insurance quotes. So in a situation where you have multiple options, selecting the right insurer can be daunting, and there are vast differences in premiums across provider. That's a good news if you look at it, because it puts you in a position to choose the right company. It makes it competitive, and that's why the marketplace is good. You are not limited to just one company. You have several companies out there, and you should explore several possibilities before you sign up with any particular company. So I have 5 main ideas that I want to share today that will help you to cut down your insurance premium. So let's go into it. The first idea is you need to shop around. I know this may sound easy, but before you sign up for your next insurance, I want you to get a quote from at least 3 different companies, and you compare them apples to apples, or maybe mango to mango, as the case may be. Make sure that they are offering the same coverage or similar coverage, and from comparing, you will be able to see which of the company is actually offering you the better quotes or the best service, as the case may be. So in terms of insurance, I want you to know that cheapest is not always the best option. So please compare. And one important thing is make sure you select a reputable company. There are some company, yes, you'll be paying all this premium, but one day when you need them, they'll start giving you all sorts of excuses, making it difficult for you to file a claim. Car insurance premium rates vary by hundreds of dollars a year among insurance companies for the same level of coverage. So you should review your premium at least once a year to make sure you are getting the best deal. What I do is after each year, I'll look at my insurance quotes, and I typically get unsolicited mails from different insurance companies telling me that they could help me to save on my premium. So I'll reach out to them and check out what they have. If they are better than my current company, immediately I'm switching. So you too should try this, shop around, and don't stay with just one company forever. Especially if there are other options or cheaper options out there. So there are various discount packages from all these companies. Explore those discounts. All states, they have discount for depending on the type of car that you drive or how often you drive, or if you are a safe driver, they have discount for you. Geico and State Farm also have their respective discounts. So shop around, talk to your agents, learn about the discounts, and ask about the discounts before you sign up with any company so that you make sure that you are getting the best bang for your buck. So number 2, you should raise your deductible. One thing that I've seen is that the higher the deductible you pay, the lower your premium is going to go. But here is a caution around this. If you are not capable, if you are unable to bear the risk, don't raise your deductible. For people that are still struggling with their finances, I will not recommend raising your deductible. And here's how it works. Let's say you get involved in a collision and you have a deductible of $500. It means if the repair cost is $500 or less, you will cover the total cost of the repair. But as soon as the repair cost is over $500, you will come up with the first $500, and the insurance company will cover the balance. So if you raise your deductible, let's say you raise it to $1,000 or $2,000, that means if you get involved in collision, you come up with $1,000 or $2,000 as the case may be. So if you cannot afford that $1,000 or $2,000, please don't raise your deductible. If you have an emergency savings, maybe you have some savings set aside, yes, definitely raise your deductible so that you can lower your premium. So from research that has been conducted, if you raise your deductible, for example, from $500 to $1,000, you may be able to save about $150 to $200. Now, raising your deductible, there are 2 considerations. First, you must be a safe driver. And number 2, you must have the amount of deductible in cash saved somewhere. Number 3, reduce optional coverage. By reviewing your insurance coverage, you can determine whether or not you need some features. There are all sorts of features that the insurance company will put together when they issue you a quote. I know there is roadside assistance, which is great. Maybe if you get involved in some issues on the road, you can call your insurance company and they will come to your rescue, which is great. However, there are other features like car rental features. You should really assess it if you need it. There are various forms of features that insurance company put together. Talk to them, review it, assess it if you need it, because the more the options that you add to your insurance quote, the higher your premium is going to go. So if you don't need all this extra coverage, some medical coverage are included as well. So if you have medical insurance already, why do you need another medical coverage? So these are things that you can assess and decide if you really need all this optional upgrade. And besides, as your car gets older, the need to insure against damage to the car diminishes, and by taking off those optional coverage, you end up saving more money. Number 4, bundle your policy. So if you have multiple items that you need to insure, by bundling them together, you could save more money. So if you have a boat, 1 or 2 cars, 1 or 2 homes, or any other equipment, if you go to one particular insurance company, they will offer you some discount for all the multiple items that you have. So you'll be saving money by bundling your policy. And besides, it also simplifies your finances because you will only have to pay from one account. Number 5, the last but not the least, you need to maintain a good credit score. A good credit score will not only help you to lower borrowing costs whenever you need to borrow money, but it can also help you to save on your insurance premium. In most states, insurance carriers factor in your credit history in setting your premium. And studies have shown that there is a meaningful correlation between how we handle our finances and claims history. According to a consumer report, drivers who have poor credit score paid around $70 to $500 more per year on average than similar driver with a better than average credit score. And of course, it depends on your state. So that's it. Hey, I have a bonus for you. One other thing you can do is to take a driving course. By taking a driving course, you could lower your insurance premium, because some of these insurance companies, they often ask when they are putting your quote together that, have you taken any defensive driving test? So if you can take your time to take a driving course, you may be able to get some discounts and lower your insurance premium. And that's where we'll end today. I hope I've been able to serve you. You know, at Winners Ways, we are on a mission to create more winners. We want you to succeed in your career and personal finance. Please subscribe to my podcast and leave us a review on iTunes or anywhere where you listen to podcasts, because we want to reach more people, and with your help, we can get there. So, till next week again, I am Bola Halabi. Keep winning.